back with another video. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a long time, but I've been very busy with work, and also TikTok has been taking a lot of time from me, so I really apologize about that. But today is this very special video. Straight up, I'm calling out the cockiest Mustang owner in the world. So this guy is claiming he's the fastest guy on TikTok, which is very false. It's so bad to where he lies about numbers, and even not only all car guys or most car guys are tired of him, even Mustang guys are tired of him. Even guys from Florida and different states. People are telling me, even Mustang guys are telling me to go race him and shut him up because he's such a fake, and he always making fake claims. He calls everybody slow. He's such a bully on TikTok. So I'm about to be there in 30 minutes. He finally agreed to a race after 3 days of calling him out on TikTok. It's gonna go down. He thinks he can beat me. He's making 1,000 to the wheels and about 817 torque, and he's a stick shift. It's a Shelby GT500. I think it's a 13 or 14, and you guys already know Hellgato's making, let's just say, almost 1,000 to the wheels just to be safe, 1,000 to the wheels torque, and he got automatic. So let's see how it goes. He really thinks he can beat me still. Hopefully I get him by a bus or two. So I can prove you guys, Hellcats are not the cars to mess with, especially the automatic, with an experienced driver. So stay tuned.
Look who it is! Holy fuck!
There we are. There it is, SVT Nate. Does sound good though, be honest.
Sounds good, Cam?
Yeah. We're gonna run without a filter, as you guys can see.
Time to settle it all. How you doing?
Yeah.
I'm doing nice to meet you.
There it is, man.
Okay. Full setup here. Running with no filter too?
I always do.
Okay.
I usually hardly ever have my filter on. Because when they tune it without a filter.
Okay. So,
What size are they?
325 is the biggest Toyo makes it.
On a 20, huh?
20 by 13, yeah.
3.6, huh?
Dirty 3.6, 5.8 motor.
Yeah, that's what the Shelby's come with.
I need to do a full-on clean because she is filthy.
Yeah.
Yeah. There it is.
There we go. Oh shit!
Okay, guys, pay attention to the second video. This is the only one he's thinking he got me. So he actually honked and jumped by a whole car ahead of me. A whole car, okay? And by the time we hit like 110, I was like neck to neck with him because I'm keep pulling. My car's faster, obviously. You guys could see that in the video. And then by the time we hit like 130, I was already ahead of him by half a car. And you can see that if you pay attention. I will post these screenshots.
Let's go. Let's go. There we go. All right, final round. Here we go. Here they come. Come on, baby. Here we go.
Alright guys, it's done, it's settled. I drove almost 2 hours to the Mexico border and we raced in Mexico. And Hellgato won 3 races. There's footage of every run. We agreed 50 or 55 to about 150 on the messages between me and him. I can prove that. On the first video, I got him by a lot. The second video, he jumped and at 130 I was already passing him. So basically explains my car was making more power, but I let off just to be safe. That's where the guys were recording at the end. And on the third run, we said we're gonna hit 150. I did hit 150 and I was already ahead of him. And then again, I slowed down just to keep it safe. And MD, did I slow down at 150?
Yep.
Was I ahead of him every run?
Yep.
As a witness, he was recording, so it's done. Well guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a like and subscribe, and peace out and stay tuned for the next video.